In Hijazi news update, Punjab announces major crackdown on non-custom paid and unregistered vehicles. On the direction of Chief Minister Punjab, a province-wide crackdown has been launched targeting non-custom paid and unregistered vehicles. On Wednesday, Chief Secretary Zahid Akhtar Zaman chaired a meeting to discuss the operation against illegal vehicles. The meeting was attended by the Home Secretary, Commissioner of Lahore Division, Director General Excise and Collector Customs Lahore. It was decided that Safe Cities Authority would assist in identifying non-customs paid and unregistered vehicles. The Chief Secretary ordered the formation of joint teams comprising police, excise, and customs officials to carry out the operation. He mentioned that in addition to routine road checks, intelligence-based operations would be conducted. He further directed that all non-customs paid and unregistered vehicles be seized, emphasizing the connection between such vehicles and serious criminal activities. The Chief Secretary highlighted that the crackdown was essential for ensuring public safety and curbing crime across the province.